What is mouth taping at night? Well, I'm Dr. Barrett, I'm a plastic surgeon, and this is kind of somewhat related to things I do, health and wellness and beauty, but for the most part, it's kind of a personal journey. I am a mouth breather at nighttime, and I thought nothing of it other than just having an annoying dry mouth when I wake up. I read a book called Breath by James Nestor. I recommend everybody read it. It's pretty powerful, and it talks about the importance of breathing through our nose. It made a lot of sense, and I actually looked up some of the research that was listed in the book, and it is true, all right? So it's better if we breathe through our nose, especially at sleep. And so one of the things the author recommends is to actually tape your mouth shut with a little piece of tape. You could start with a tiny little piece of like medical tape like this. That's kind of how I started. You basically put it like that. It'll make your spouse much happy if you talk too much. That's just a side joke. But anyway, so you could get like a little medical tape, clear medical tape like this, or my favorite is this blue silicone-based tape, which it tends to be a little less toxic. There's a bunch of companies out there that make tape that has a little hole in it, so if you're starting out, that could be beneficial. And I found that I sleep way better at nighttime. It's crazy, but I sleep better at night when my mouth is shut. And a weird thing is that my allergies have gotten way more reduced. I feel like there's something we don't understand, that when you expose your nasal mucosa to more of an allergen stimulation or more air in general, your allergies gets reduced. And so there's no evidence on that. And so that's just my personal experience. But there is a lot of evidence about the benefit of breathing through your nose at nighttime. Now, the important thing is to start slow. Make sure you check with your doctor if you have any kind of obstructive sleep apnea or breathing problems, and it takes a little while to get used to. So it took me a couple nights of me waking up and like panicking and taking the thing off versus before I got used to it. But once I got used to it now, I feel like I can breathe through my nose better and I get better sleep.